Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about GMAT preparation tips or how we should go about preparing for GMAT. We all know that GMAT is no cakewalk. Ideally, a student should devote no less than 2 months to GMAT preparation. The duration depends on a number of factors like what is your targeted score, your work schedule, and other engagements you might have. Time required for GMAT preparation can be calculated by subtracting from targeted score for GMAT the estimated GMAT score currently, multiply it with 7 by 10 and multiply it again with 1 plus CBT, where CBT stands for confidence building time factor that defines the extra time required to clear any conceptual doubts for any sections of GMAT. CBT value would be 0 or 0.25. The targeted score in the formula stands for the score you aim for. The estimated GMAT score currently is the score secured by you during the diagnostic test. The 7 by 10 in the formula denotes the 7 hours invested by you for each increment of 10 points. Let's come to the general preparation tips that everyone should follow. Creating a proper study plan with an equal distribution of study hours to each subject is very important. Go through the GMAT syllabus properly to get an idea of the subjects. Then take a mock test to diagnose the weak and strong areas among the subjects. Always find out the best possible way that is required to answer any kind of question. Understand the difficulty level of the question and then make an approach to answer. During preparation, never neglect any subject. Always keep in mind all 4 subjects are equally important in this section. Work strongly on weaker sections. You must practice logical reasoning for better performance in GMAT. Strategize your time management skills. Attempt only those questions which you are completely assured of. So to summarize it all up, we must concentrate on the subjects you are weak in, but keep on working on the subjects you are strong at. To find this, you must continuously give mock tests and go through the syllabus properly. Some of the don'ts of preparing for GMAT exams are, as GMAT is a computer adaptive exam, therefore one should not waste time adjusting with the system. Focus only on completing the exam. While taking mock tests, never look for the score. This mock test score will help in boosting your performance for the main exam. Never focus on a single section where you are good at. GMAT score report provides a sectional score that is equally important by the score recipient and the recruiters. Do not try to decode the difficulty level of the questions and try to solve it as soon as possible. There are a lot of strategies that you might apply to ace in the exam. Some of the strategies are: we must understand that the exam stress is real and inevitable. We must accept that. Try not to panic and stay calm while studying. Some of the key points which you must remember are: do not delay your preparation. The more you delay, the less time you have to prepare. Know your potential. Know where you are standing on a scale of 1 to 10 while starting the GMAT exam preparation. Make sure you set deadlines to complete your topics or solve questions. Make sure you achieve these deadlines. Sticking to the deadlines is very important because we can make hundreds of deadlines, we can make many plans, but it doesn't make any sense if we can't stick to it. Never stop taking mock tests, as they will help you understand your level of knowledge and help you identify your strong and weak points. Try and solve problems as soon as you can and win the time race. Lastly, do not panic or take stress. It does worse than benefiting. There are many softwares and books that you can follow while preparing for GMAT preparation. For example, GMAT Prep software is a free software for those users who have registered with the official website of GMAT. This tool will serve as an experimental tool for the test takers of GMAT, as it uses the same technology as the official exam and provides the users with scores. And for GMAT preparation, some of the books are Beyond MBA Hype by Samir Kamath, The Official Guide for GMAT Review by Graduate Management Admission Council, GMAT, Manhattan GMAT Strategy Guide by Manhattan Prep, Kaplan GMAT Prep Plus by Kaplan Test Prep. Well, guys, preparing for GMAT might not be very easy, but proper schedule and dedication will help you ace the exam.